It's Crusoe. What I'm doing now, everyone, is I'm just going up that wall straight up there in white, because the rest of these walls are going to be white. But they're a bit of a ripple white, ripple dipple. So yeah, it'll be pretty cool. Be nice. Same principle, you always glue your tile, well I do. Glue your tile, don't spread your wall. Spread your tile. Make sure you go the same way. I thought, gee, these tiles are a bit bowy, but no, it's the stuff underneath. Same principle, people. Spread your tile. Keep your lines going the same way. Slap it on. Whooshka. Keep a nice even spread. Slap it on, Jack. Every couple of tiles, see how that's, oh yeah, could go up half a mil, but no, not really, but just put a wedge in there. Easy. Have your bucket of clips and wedges. These clips are a little bit softer, so you can just press them together. Nah, these are quite soft, so you don't have to be that tough. I can actually pull that masking tape off. Okay, so I'll just run a knife up there. Get off. Just like that. I'll be running silicone up there. Nice. It's quite sticky, that masking tape. All good. Nice straight run, people. Clip it up. I reckon these tiles are a little bit bowy. I might need to put just one in the middle, a clip in the middle. On the next row. These white tiles they're cheap, but a lot of people are using them and they come out good. Makes the bathroom look nice. Hello, I hear a blowfly. Ooh. He won't last long. I can't stand flies, eh? Yeah, that's better. Yep. So these tiles are a little bit bowy. That's cool though. With these clips, that's beautiful. We'll come back to you soon. See, those ones are a better quality tile. So they're flat. These ones have a bow. They're just slightly bowed in the middle. Oh, very much so. When you close one eye, look down. But we just straighten them with a clip in the middle. See you soon. This is Chris O. Don't forget to subscribe. Push that subscribe button. Push that thumbs up button. Hey, it's Chris O. With this, with these round hole cuts, if you watch on YouTube, they all make it out to be harder than what it is. But DIYs, it's actually bloody easy. All you do is you make sure that you've marked it like this. I've shown you in other videos. Easy peasy. I just need to adjust that slightly. Nice. No, it is. It's easier than you think. They make it look hard and all that on YouTube, but nah. Don't be fooled, DIYs. The real knack is cutting a circle with a grinder. But with your round circle what knots that you can buy now, and you just bore on through, make the circle. That's a no-brainer. Anyone can do that. Cutting a circle with a grinder takes a little bit more skill. But I have shown that also, and if you're able to do it, well, then you don't have to spend money on buying all the round, but you can buy them singly. Where's my rubber hammer? A little bit of adjustment. A little bit of adjustment. That's good. Good. Even though they're cut perfectly to size, it's still easy to get out a little bit, so you just adjust them accordingly. The first time you look at them, they look right, and then the second time you look at your lines, oh, okay, that could do with a little bit of a tweak, and so on, you know. But the biggest key, DIYs, the biggest key to tiling is you must be dead level. And when you're dead level, you're dead plumb. But that is the key. If you're not level, well, then you're in trouble, because the tiles will always kick. If you start off dead level and straight, you're laughing. Whooshka, up your wall. And if you start off dead level and straight, you're home and hose. $12 o'clock. Okay, well. I'll mix up another pot of glue, have some lunch. It won't take me long to go up there after lunch. Then I'll be over here and then there, and then tomorrow do my niches, finish off what I've got here, and then into the grout. It's looking good. See you soon. This is Chris O. Poke that subscribe button, people, if you haven't. If you have subscribed, poke the thumbs up button. Good on you. Thanks. See ya.